Good day, viewers. Let's calculate the area of the shaded portion. Here we have a circle and we have unshaded sector. So to calculate the area of the shaded portion, there are two ways. The first way is to calculate the area of the big shape, which is the circle. Calculate the area of this and take it away. Because area of the circle is equal to area of the shaded sector plus area of the unshaded, that gives a circle. So let's shorten area of circle as AC is equal to, let this be AS, that is area of shaded, plus AUNS, that's area of unshaded. So we have to get the area of shaded portion. So area of shaded will be equal to area of the circle minus area of unshaded. So we need to get the area of the circle first and we'll get the area of unshaded. Now to get the area of the circle, we were told that from here to this place is 4 centimeters. So once this is 4 centimeters, that is the radius from the center to the circumference. So to get the area of the circle, that is AC, the formula is pi r squared. So our pi is 22/7 multiplied by radius is 4. So we have 4 squared, that's 4 times 4. So this gives us 352/7. And it gives us an answer of 50.29 centimeters squared. Okay. To calculate the area of unshaded, we are given this, and that is a sector. And the formula for area of a sector, which is the unshaded, be theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. Because sector is a portion of a circle, so area of a sector, the portion is pi over 360. The pi is 158 here, and this are the same because these are vertically opposite angles. This will also be 158. So this and this are the same. So it means we are having this in two places. So what we have to do now is to say this formula will be multiplied by 2 because we are having it in two places. So it means area of unshaded be equal to 2 into theta is 158, which is the angle. So 158 divided by 360 multiplied by 22/7, which is the pi, times 4 squared, which is the radius. That's 4 times 4. So the numerator gives us 111,232, and the denominator gives us 2520. So our final answer 44.14 square centimeters. Area of the shaded portion will be the area of the circle minus area of unshaded. So which means area of the shaded portion, that will be 50.29 minus 44.14. So this gives us 6.15 centimeters square. That's the first method of calculating this. The second method, this our shaded portion is a shape, which is a sector. So we can get this. This is a straight line. An angle on a straight line gives 180. So it means we can subtract 180 from 158 to get the angle here. So once we get it, we also calculate it and get our answer. So it means area of the shaded portion which is also the sector. That's theta over 360 multiplied by r squared. Theta in this case, that will be 180 minus 158. So it means 180 minus 158, that is a straight line, divided by 360 multiplied by 22 over 7 times r squared. Our r is also 4, so times 4 times 4. So this is in two portions, so we have to multiply everything by 2. So it gives us 16896 divided by 2520. So at the end of the day, we have 6.15 also. So this is the second way. So we have the same answer. Thank you and God bless. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. See you in the next video.